Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Wix to make a portfolio website in 2024. Whether you are a photographer, artist, or just a freelancer, a portfolio website is a perfect way to showcase your work to other people or potential clients as an example. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive into this video and simply let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and sign up or log in into a Wix website. To do so, go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use this if you want. Go to the URL section, basically just type wix.com and hit the enter button, and you should be taken to the home screen or main screen website. If it's your first time, basically you'll be taken here. And as I said, you'll need to log in into an account if you have an account in the top right corner. And if you don't have an account, click on sign up instead to create an account. As you can see, you can use Google and Facebook, or even like Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you do so, you will find yourself right here. As you can see, I have here multiple sites, but for me, I'll just start from the beginning with you. So we'll need to make a portfolio website, right? So I'll just go to the top right corner, click on create a new site. And here, as you can see, you might get confused and see, oh, what should I use? Like there's multiple stuff. Of course, you can start first of all from a blank canvas and you can start from the beginning. Like everything is white, nothing is there, and you can start doing everything by your own. Or you can use your own templates if you already have it from, as example, previous websites or another like website. Or you can use the Wix editor. It's going to be the same as like the Wix Studio, so you don't have to worry. Or you can simply use see one of the studio templates, or you can see studio templates marketplace. If you're going to click on that marketplace option, as you can see like some of the templates that are paid, not free. This is basically like the marketplace. As you can see, you can even see here the free ones. So you might find some free ones as an example. Yeah, as you can see, some free ones. Maybe you can look for just portfolios slash CV and just free as example. So for the free one portfolio as example, there is just this one. For all example, you will find the lots as you can see. So you can choose whatever suits you and start with it. Or you can simply, as example, go here to studio templates. It's going to be basically taking you to the templates that already exist and for free, all of them here for free, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can simply just go and check to this type example, type portfolio, and here as you can see, you can choose whatever like template that you want. Maybe as an example, I don't know which template should I choose. Maybe this one. Of course, you can view it first of all before trying to work with it. As example, okay, this looks nice. So you can simply just go and click on edit, or once you view it, you can click on edit templates at the top right corner. Of course, first of all, you can see it on the desktop, tablets, and even phone, how it's going to look like and everything. It's very important for SEO ranking, so keep that in mind. Then click on edit templates as example if you like this one. So just close those two. I don't need them anymore. And if I refresh this, I guess a new page should or new site should be created in here. So not yet. Okay, this page did not load yet, but basically when it's loaded, of course, a new site will be created here. Of course, you can give it a name so you can simply can see it from others, or you can give it a folder. Example, create a new folder and put it on that specific folder. As an example, from here, you can simply also rename it, or just go and click on move to a specific folder if you want to. So it's actually up to you. So here, this page still didn't load up. Of course, for the first time, it may take some time, probably like, as you can see, 1 minute max, and it will be loaded. So you can see, this is going to be our template for Mart Portfolio. So now, it's actually up to you. Once you choose a template, it's actually up to you to customize your template. So once the template editor like loads, you will see a range of customization options. You can change like text, images, colors, and fonts to match your personal brand. You can click also on any element to edit it. An example, maybe this one. I didn't like it, so I'll just go and click on it. As you can see, this right panel will be able to edit whatever we want on it. So you can start even by updating, an example, the text. You can click on whatever text you want. You can change the font. An example, of course, you can even like, first of all, edit here this header. You can start by changing, first of all, your name, your, as example, profession, and even a brief, as example, introduction about yourself. It will be great. Then you can start adding your work one by one, as example. So you can, instead of this view projects, as example, you can add your own projects in here. then your portfolio, of course, websites might need more than just a homepage. Consider adding additional pages like about, contact, services if you have some services to do. Of course, to do this, you can simply go to this list panel, click on layers in here. As you can see, you'll find a lot of layers. So we have here for me just the home page. As you can see, we can just go and click on edit page. As you can see, you have the header and footer. If we go here to pages, an example, we'll be able to add other pages. So if we click on this plus button, as you can see, you can choose to add the dynamic page, design once generates unlimited pages, or add a standard blank page. Or this blank page will be totally blank and you will have to edit this by your own. You can even add some design sections to it and a lot of other stuff. But of course, for me, I'll just go here and delete this page. Of course, if you go and click on add the dynamic page, as you said, you can first of all choose what page should you want. So like, do you want a list page, item page, or a blank page? You can even choose like, if it's a about page, it will be, as an example, you can do something about, as an example, this current item, you can like type something here. It's actually up to you to do whatever you want. And of course, once you create additional pages, of course, make sure to add like, I guess the most important one is a contact page, which will include the contact form basically, or your email address, so your potential clients can reach you or customers. And of course, with many users browsing on their phone, it's crucial that your portfolio should look great on all devices. You can click also on the mobile here and edit stuff specifically for the mobile. Of course, in Wix editor, you can, as you can see, edit on mobile and also on tablets. But make sure to edit on mobile because like Wix or mobile view is actually very important. Make sure to adjust any elements that does not look right on the smaller screen. Wix automatically will be optimizing everything on your site for mobile, but it's good to check, of course, and make any tweaks as needed. And of course, to help people find your portfolio online, you'll need to optimize it for search engines and Wix editor, of course. You will be able to find that, of course, in the settings to add or to provide more like SEO ranking. Of course, make sure to also I don't know, maybe get a domain. So it's an example, connected domain into that because it's going to be very, very important and very better for you to or for other customers to find your websites very easily. And I guess like that's it. So once you finish every changes, you can preview it here and see, of course, previews as a test site to see everything is working as intended. If of course not, if not, of course, I'll just go here and preview it and in the edit side. And of course, if something is not working correctly, you can always go back and edit it. If everything is working as you want, you can simply just go and click on publish and publish it right away. So, example here, you can click on stuff and see how it's going to look like, where it's going to take you, and etc. So yeah, that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.